These pieces are from Helen of Pink Daffodil Jewelry. She came up with her company name out of her two favorite things, the color pink and daffodils. Pink Daffodil's holiday earrings includes trees in various colors, angels, snowmen, snowflakes, and much more. Helen's mask holders are made with glass seed beads and lobster clasps. Her other earrings include differing designs using various crystals and vintage beads. The bracelets she makes with memory wire and holiday and contemporary designs. And here are two ornaments Helen makes with Swarovski crystals, Czech, vintage glass beads, and seed beads, perfect on any tree or use them as sun catchers. Visit us at the Crafty Toolbox, 930 Old County Road, Meriden, Connecticut. Come on down and find that unique gift.